Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another innovative and exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell for all my future recipes. See you in my next recipe. Okay, so let's begin. We are beginning with the crumble part. I begin with 1 cup of almond flour. Put that into a mixing bowl. And we are going to add 1/4 of a cup of any sweetener of your choice. I've used monk fruit. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you want half a teaspoon, you can add half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cold butter, and what I'm doing is I'm using my fingertips. Don't try to bring it into a dough. We are trying to make crumbles. So just use your fingertips and gently. It's in fast motion, so it looks I'm being heavy with the dough, but it's not. I'm using my fingertips and just making it into a crumble. And here's the star of the show. We are going to be using chayote. Chayote, it's written right on top. So I've taken 1 chayote and there's just a wee bit of a seed. So that's it. That's all that there is. It looks like a lovely Granny Smith green apple. Now I'm going to cube it and cut it into bits. And I'm using an 8-inch pan. So if you need more in your pan, that's bigger, then use the other chayote. I just needed 1 because they're really, really big. Okay, now that I know the size is right and it's well filled in that, I'm going to drop all the chayote into on my stovetop. Now it's a dry stovetop. I'm just beginning to mix it around. And now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water. The idea is that I'm going to steam the chayote. I'm using the word chayote a lot so that you get used to the right one to buy. Just a few drops of water more and carry on mixing. Now this will turn as we keep on moving it around. It'll start steaming, and now I'm adding 1/4 of a cup, half a cup of a brown sugar substitute, 1 or 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. In fact, I might add some more. Just depends on how cinnamony you like it. There you go, a little more. And we're going to cook this over the stovetop, maybe for the next 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see when you hold them, if you pick one piece, they're really nice and soft. And all the brown sugar substitute would have completely melted. And there is a little bit of liquid in it, and that's what we want. Now I'm pouring this into into my pie dish, and the place is smelling amazing. You could also add some ginger powder. Okay, I've just put 1 tablespoon of butter, the cold butter again, before I put the crumble on top. See that you put the crumble completely, like cover all the chayote inside. And now it's going to bake at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. And look at that baby. What you see outside is a bit of the brown sugar that's poured out. It's absolutely smelling like heaven. Now I'm cutting through this when it's piping hot, so it's not going to come out into a slice, but if you let it cool down, you'll be able to cut it into a slice and then reheat it if you want in the microwave. Oh my goodness, this smells of Christmas. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell for all my future videos. Lots of love. Bye then.